Hello, queens and kings. Welcome, and welcome to all our new queens and kings as well. I really do appreciate your love and support, as well as to my royalties. Thank you guys so much for actually joining, clicking on this video, and just give me a part of your guys' time. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, morning, night, whenever you are watching this video. So today I am doing some decorating where I'm decorating the living room only at this moment here because there's so many changes going on behind the camera. But I did want to put this video out for you guys because I did do it where I'm just going to do a little tighten up, a little cleaning, and then we're going to decorate the living room for Halloween. Now, I know a lot of you guys not into Halloween, but I have kids and my kids into Halloween, and I've been loving it since I was a kid. So it is what it is. We don't worship the devil or nothing like that. We all King Jesus over here. Trust and believe that. Amen. Amen. But anyways, I'm just going to rearrange some well, no, not really. We're just going to clean some furniture, wipe down and stuff like that. You know, bring back the old school cleaning like with a broom, basically. Because a lot of you guys actually like to see me clean with a broom. I have a vacuum cleaner, but I don't use it too often. I'm so used to what I was raised up doing, and that's cleaning with a broom. So I'm just going to take my broom and sweep down any trash or any crumbs that Andre had left up in here, and sweep the floor and everything like that. Do a little wipe down and stuff, a little tidy up, because really my living room doesn't get that dirty or get dirty pretty much. Only thing I have is a lot of Andre toys everywhere. But anyways, we're just gonna do a little tidy cleaning, and I'm gonna decorate for Halloween. So if you guys into this video, like what I'm doing, love when I decorate, please give your queen a big thumbs up, as well as share, because we almost to 2,000. Let's get to 2,000. Let's get to 2,000, even though we on the road to reach however we can reach. But anywho, I'm gonna let you guys sit back and enjoy this video. If you all do enjoy, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, let me talk about this little micro band. You guys know Lysol is very hard to come by, but my mother-in-law put me up on this, and she purchased this and stuff for me. So I've been using it. It have like an orange scent to a smell or whatever. It's not too strong, so it's like just right, just in between or whatever. But I've been using that to sanitize, because you guys know what the world is going on right now. So the new normal, we need to sanitize just about every day of the week. So basically that's what I'm doing here at this moment here, and then we're gonna get into it. So enjoy. Okay, queens and kings, I know you guys didn't see me put up the pillars or anything on there. That's because I don't know what's going on with the footage. It keep overlapping, so I can't get the footage to stay on there. But I actually gonna make some more changes, because I didn't even like how the pillars and stuff turned out. I think it's just too much gold just coming out. I'm trying to make it a little more spooky and stuff like that, so the gold is not doing it for me in this part of fall. So I'm gonna actually do some more changes though, but off camera, which you guys will see at the end.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand.
All right, Queens and Kings. So I'm going to try something different here for my DIY fireplace. I'm actually going to use some Christmas garland because this garland actually match my Christmas tree. So therefore, I'm going to try something a little bit different just to give it a little bit more texture because I don't have a lot of small pieces of Halloween decor to put over here, but I'm going to use what I have.
Hi.
And that's Andre saying hi. Okay, Queens and Kings, so this is pretty much in my living room, clean and tighten up, decorate with me for Halloween. As you guys can see, I try to make it as spooky as I can. You guys see most of these things as in a haul. The things that I do have in my candle holders here, my DIY candle holders, those are cups from the Dollar Tree. These pillows, the skull pillows are from Burlington, and that orange pillow is Amazon. I just throw some pumpkins over here in this little throw basket or whatever with pillows, you know, just try to bring the color around the room. I'm still using my gold, and like I said, I was just gonna incorporate the orange and the black, and I really do love it. My kids love it. Definitely Andre, he love it, and I love the way everything turned out. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Don't you guys just love the way my fireplace turned out? I really do love this. You see the little skulls with the Nevermore, like they just in the grave. It's just in the grave, but I love the way that it turned out. But this is how I look with the lights on. Well, most of the lights anyway. But the Christmas tree tour is coming up pretty soon, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on another video from me. So with that being said, queens and kings, you guys continue to be what? Royal. Bye-bye.